Trade-in alert! Hey everyone, Pine Acres RV here in Moncton, coming to you with a fresh arrival. It's a 2017 Keystone Outback Ultra Lite. The model number 255UBH. This is going to be a nice and lightweight family unit with corner bunks. Check out the outside kitchen, complete with fridge, frameless windows, folks. Nice dinette slide. Got an outside light here for ease of getting connected at night. 2 20-pound propane tanks will be filled up. And by the looks of things, a brand new battery will be installed. Aluminum construction out front. Man, oh man, let's go in. Bam! Here we are. Take a look at that U-shaped dinette. Of course, that does convert into a bed. In this corner, extra large bunks. A few small kids can fit in one of those. Definitely a teenager. Bathroom up next, complete with medicine cabinet. Small tub, just in case you do have small kids. I see the previous owner was an engineer. Put a couple shelves in there. And just at the entryway, closet, storage. I'll turn around. Take a look at the kitchen area. This is a Dometic fridge that works on propane and electricity. Nice and clean. We do have an oven. 3-burner stove. We have a high point microwave. Nice big sink with a cover. All right, just looking out front. We do have a TV with a stereo. Take a look at the master bedroom. Over here. Oh, that's nice. Lots of storage. And look at those solid doors for your privacy. More storage here. More storage here. Folks, the condition of this unit is really, really nice. I don't think it's going to last very long. Please give one of our friendly salespeople a call. Book your appointment, and we'll make sure to get this coach ready to show. And if you like it, we'll get it ready to tow. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.